Hello and welcome to this video by MENNEKES Elektrotechnik GmbH & Co. KG. In this video, we'll show you how to set up the authorization via the Local Whitelist operating mode for the AMTRON Professional and AMEDIO Professional charging station, and how to add RFID cards. This requires the charging system to be installed. You will also need a laptop with administrator rights. The professional charging systems are not equipped with Wi-Fi, so you will also need a USB or Ethernet cable in addition to the laptop. The authorization via the Local Whitelist operating mode can prevent the charging process from being launched without authorization. Charging will only begin when the user holds an RFID card that has been added to the Local Whitelist in front of the RFID symbol on the charging system. The vehicle is connected to the charging system and switches to status C, or ready to charge. The charging process can be terminated via the connected vehicle or by holding the RFID card up to the charging system again. To configure this, connect your laptop to the charging system and open the web interface. Click on the Back-end menu tab of the Professional charging system. A back-end connection is not required for the authorization via the Local Whitelist operating mode, so the connection type parameter needs to be set to No Back-end. Save this setting by clicking the Save button. In the Authorization menu tab, set the Free Charging parameter and, if in doubt, allow charging to Off. Next, scroll to the Enable Local Whitelist parameter and set it to On. Right below that, there's a field in which you can enter the user IDs of the RFID cards. One option is to enter the user IDs manually, or you can copy and paste them from a file or a charging system that has already been set up. Warning: the user IDs are separated by a colon and a maximum of 80 entries can be made. If you don't know the user IDs for the RFID cards and have no way of reading them, you can use Learning Mode. To do this, set the Local Whitelist Learning Mode to On. And save this setting by clicking the Save button. You now have 5 minutes to hold the RFID cards in front of the RFID symbol on the charging system. On the AMEDIO charging station, please use the left charging point. You can check whether the user IDs have been entered by switching from the Authorization menu tab to Dashboard and back. To activate the newly set operating mode, the charging system needs to be restarted.